What is up, guys? Today I'm going to show you the D Plus app. Here it is on my BYD Song Plus 2024 using D-Link 4 here installed, and I will just show you what this app can do. Share the link below to install it, and let's check it out. So let's open D-Link app. Here we have the 5 main options here to select. So let's go one by one. Here we have the panorama recording. That's one of the most important features. So you can record the panorama and plus the back view of your car, not just back view as it is recorded by the built-in DVR here. Only the front one, let's say. So here you have the panoramic one and also the screen cap. You can make a screenshot. So let's show you how it works. Actually, you open up one of them. So as you see here, you see the back side and you see the front side here. So all your 360 working well, plus the back camera is also recording. Actually, it's just a sort of screen recording, let's say, when you turn on your panorama, when you start to park or just going back. Although on a second we have more advanced description, more advanced information on your car. Here you have steering angle, so when you steer your wheel, you see here the degrees moving, inside temperature, battery capacity, rotator speed, engine power, energy consumption, duration of ride, average speed, instantaneous energy consumption, turn left, turn right, motor speed, battery power. Actually it's 13.7 volt, although we've got the extreme voltage here available, start time, battery level also available, water temperature, and more extreme temperature and more other voltage difference available as well. Although the trip, it shows you the information, more detailed information regarding your car, regarding each your ride. So you can see here is duration, mileage, average speed, energy consumption per 100 kilometer consumption, and change of the battery. Actually, you see here for last it was just staying mainly in one place, as you see here, so it's not showing, but here we go. It shows you the time of duration of ride, the date and time, average speed. Here is consumption per 100 kilometers and the battery consumption as well. And when we are going to charging, it will show you how long does it take to charge your car. For example, here 7 hours 14 minutes from 46% to 100% here, and some alarms. For instance, here this is still in Chinese, but actually it's showing here as well. Let's move on to the next one. So the charging is available only for fast charging. As I'm using slow charging to charge, I don't see any information, but here you can have some information regarding charging time and settings. So actually there are a lot of settings that I'm not really using. You have the bottom control, you can control from bottom the panorama and voice, previous, next track, and all the others can be set it up. Those settings I don't really use for now, but for example you can have some single click to the original function. For example, rotating function, you can set up some others like ventilation, screen off, close a window, open BYD maps. Actually quite many functions can be set it up using D+, so I think I will spend a bit more time to set it up. And some buttons definitely, for example rotating button, I don't really use, so you can use this button to open some app or actually to control the ventilation, for example, to increase it or decrease it, and more others. Actually, for the D-Link app, that's pretty much it. This app is specially created and actually used on BYD cars, and here I have BYD Song Plus running on D-Link 4, and as we see it's working quite well. And this panoramic recording is also quite convenient when you're parking. You can have this recording, it's just like a sort of screen recording from your screen, but it's still panoramic one. When you turn it on all the time, it's working. Of course you can turn it on all the time, record this panorama one, but I don't know whether you need it all the time or no, but actually it's working well when you just drive, when you park, etc. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. Put the thumbs up and see you next time.